What did you do today? Did you go to the park? We're making a movie. We're making a movie. Can you show me where the boy baby is? Do you have the girl baby there? Tell Daddy what you...
No, Chloe.
You...
No, Chloe.
We're making a movie, and then I'll show you, I promise. Show Daddy what the boy baby is. And then we can watch the movie, I promise. It's okay. I'll follow you. Come on. Here, look, see? It's a picture. But I want to show you. I want to film you. So we can watch it. Can you count to 10?
No.
Please. Can you say chinchilla?
No.
Why not? Why won't you talk?
No.
Can you tell Daddy what you did today?
Look at my girl baby.
Oh, there's your girl baby. What are you getting? Oh, you're putting on a necklace? So pretty.
On my chest.
What'd you say?
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Chloe. I love you. Haha, pretty.
Look at my necklace.
Yeah, look at your necklace. Chloe, can you smile? Thank you. You're so pretty.
Chloe.
Yeah? Want to see a picture?